Hi guys, so this is the makeup tutorial for today. Really hope you guys enjoyed this. So as you can see, it's a money green look. Hint hint. And of course I'm wearing my L'Amour Mink lashes in Armani 3D. Very beautiful. And I did not say, but I am of course using my actually I'm reviewing these brushes, so I'm using my OPV brush set as well. And what else did I not say? Oh, and everything I used I will tell you guys what it is at the end of the video, so stay tuned to the end of the video to find out the names of stuff that I used. And yeah, that's basically it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to use the hashtag Lyric Rochester whenever you're recreating these looks. And I want to thank you. How can I forget? Thank you so much for your support for my new endeavor. If you follow me on Instagram, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But two things. I'm having makeup classes in Jamaica, so go ahead and register right now. You can register on my website at lyricrochester.com. And I'm so thankful for your support on my new endeavor, which I don't want to talk about. No, I have to build. Oh, the black stuff with them. Oh, mellow. I have to build up the anticipation. So thank you for following my Instagram page, my new Instagram page, my new Instagram page. I'm blushing. I'm so weird. Pull Me by Lyric. Yo, thank you so much, you guys, for the support. I mean, granted, I've been promoting the heck out of that on my main Instagram page, but I want to thank you guys for even going on there and stuff. So products will be listed there and only there exclusively. Exclusive discounts will be listed there, and y'all even don't know what I'm talking about yet, but y'all gonna see. But yeah, I'm nervous about it though. This intro is going on long enough. I'm nervous about it, but I really want to thank you guys for your support for my Pull Me by Lyric page. Don't forget to register for my Jamaica hands-on makeup course for November of this year on my website lyricrochester.com. And what else? Yeah, that's it. And yo, have you guys seen my website? I'm so proud of myself. My website looks so good. But yeah, so that's it for this intro. Thank you again for your support, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye guys.
God bless you, boy, DJ. Representing back down. DJ represent the Father, Christ on the water. Jesus, I don't can get your life in no order. I'm a son go hard for the most, I'm not go easy. So God hold me close, me I squeeze up. Them last them way, meditation on them dance them straight. Hear me now, be careful of why you teach teacher, because of the youths them are in for your class them there. Them last them way, meditation on them dance them straight. Hear me now, the little youth them against so ungodly. Some of them remember when last them pray. If them say the Lord no real, them is a moron. Me know, say you know, say me know you're so wrong. Watch it, make me not call the devil like Mr. Foreman. I mean, I have to walk around only 24 man. Christ I'm a bucket thief, so me no afraid of no man. Doing this for so long, I should have be a whole man. Bible inspire me, and it's not the Quran. So me no business about the weapon wine on me forehand. Father give me strength and I make me go on. Me open up me heart and me think God just like a door man. Me a soldier for Christ and me brave and me safe like the ship. Them want me number them a store on. DJ my the head and on the tail, so it's like me at the attic of them roof, me have me floor on. Hey, you want me them try to score on, but the Lord of black color them shots them good at things say me a pour on. Dance them way, meditation on them, dance them straight. Them all have great, so one God did them dead to the word of God. Them all look like how the cops them stay. Dance them way, meditation on them, dance them straight. Hey, you fi store all of your riches, them up in a heaven and no care about all of the boss them play. You are the life you living similar to in the coffin. Think you are go so me the devil and watch you laughing. Make a change and make Christ to the muffin, cause he promise your life everlasting. Christian I pray for you and the holy for fasting. Come and see why I make your life be the offering. And the Father when you come over the other side, he will be the pedestrian crossing. You find your way, oh evil you fi climb your way. Jesus don't tell you so that him and the truth and the life, and him say I'm your way. And he will help you find your way. Oh evil you fi climb your way. Jesus don't tell you so that him and the truth and the life, and him say I'm your way. And the Bible says it's better to hear the rebuke of the wise than for a man to hear the song of fools. A fool has said in his heart there is no God. Corrupt are they, and they have done abominable iniquity. There is none that do it good. And the age I represent the most side to the fullest. God will help you find your way. Out of evil you feel climb your way. Jesus don't tell you so that him and the truth and the life, and him say I'm your way. And he will help you find your way. Out of evil you feel climb your way. Jesus don't tell you so that him and the truth and the life, and him say I'm your way. God will help you find your way. Out of evil you feel climb your way. Jesus don't tell you so that him and the truth and the life, and him say I'm your way. And he will help you find your way. Out of evil you feel climb your way. Jesus don't tell you so that him and the truth and the life, and him say I'm your way. And me go on for find some in a God bless me, boy, DJ. I mean, I say it's all about long suffering, no? You what? Have faith and wait. Hear me know? But me say Christmas come, but only once a year. But DJ, I wait on the 25th. And you what? For me know, say me have life. Me know, say that me possess a gift. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. JPS lock off me light, and the boss go fire me, that can't be right. The landlord want for your rent by tonight. They want food for bite, and me not thief and that money can't afford for bite. God knows me just a stay strong. Police can't daddy gone up a station. No food, no in the house. Baby a ball, and me can't take this operation. I work and say me I go try it, but me I feel the ex them a put up a fight. Bad minded just forget a up a hype. Ya know sometimes me feel like we just go soft, we broke a fight. God knows say me just a hold on. Even though me they have from hold on. Me know say you dead the land and you don't gone. So me now get vexed and I stand up a fall on. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Even though the enemy a try stop me like breakthrough. Life hard and ain't no soft, but the Lord of mine, God and me staff. We bring me know for the whole lot tonight, but tomorrow morning me know me a go laugh. And you are Lord, even though Lord you know I wanna bust. No me now go feel shame to drive on a bus. And even if me dead spiritually, me a go wait cause me a go rise like Lazarus. Till the man Jesus alone I man a trust. Me and the Lord go way back like rhinoceros. Me man a tell me if me want good, me knows have to run. And me really now go make my mother go. So me just a wait. Me want to look and let me get. And even the M.I.M. garments I wanna touch. So me now worry, no in a no hurry. Me now go on like palm and a rush. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Even though the enemy a try stop me like breakthrough. Devil is a liar. Oh, so we both are fire. How we praise the Messiah. How you wanna know? Satan no pump on our petal.
For my lips, all over my lips, I use Night Moth Lip Pencil by MAC. The only thing I use that I have all over my lips. And let's talk about my eyes. The very first green that I used was NYX's Jumbo Pencil in Cucumber. It's my hand. Oh, I wipe off the swatches. It's that kind of green. like a shocking color green-ish. And then I went in with another NYX pencils, that their eyebrow pencil in Emerald City, and this is what Emerald City looks like. And then I went in on my lash line with Urban Decay's Junkie. Let me show you what Junkie looks like. So it's kind of similar to Emerald City, but not quite. It has shimmers in it. For the Urban Decay, for the Urban Decay one, it has shimmers in it. For my black eyeliner, for my black eyeliner pencil, I use the Sephora one that came in the palette. And I just went one coat on my lashes with my It's Your Face mascara. And for my little highlighted green right here, I'm wearing NYX's Crystal Jade Dramatic Sparkle. These, let me show you. Like, it's very, 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 very glittery. It's right there. Hopefully you can see. It's very, very glittery. It's that liquid glitter. And then for my dramatic wing, because you saw how I drew it with the pencil, clean it up with the foundation, and then I just used my BH Cosmetics black liquid liner in Noir. And the lashes, which you saw there by L'Amour Mink lashes, I'm wearing Armani 3Ds. My blush is by Sleek Makeup. It's called Life's a Peach. And of course my Hourglass Ambience Lighting Palette, and I use Dim Light. Dim Light is by far my favorite highlight. And of course the star of the show, this Sephora palette. So I believe it's still online for Sephora right now. These are the colors. I believe it's still online. It's $19. I think it was $32 and it got knocked down to $19. So yeah. And I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors out of this palette to achieve this look. So yeah, that's basically it, you guys, for everything that I used. Thank you so much for staying through to the end of the video. It really means a lot to me, and again, your support and everything really means a lot to me. And yo, I have my hair in like this two-puff thing. This is so like high school. This is how I used to comb my hair in high school. So high school right now. But yeah, so that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
And him say do, you must know is a setup. He will tell you about sun and shine when a rain a fall, and he make you get better. Make you work, gamble and better. Lose all the money and a gun you go take up. Make police come lock you behind bars.